Hey everyone, welcome back. So I went on a very small shopping spree on Urban Decay because they were having a sale. So I just wanted to show you all what I bought. And I went on this shopping spree after I did that collab look with the Alani Nutrition that I posted on both my Instagram and my Twitter. So it's basically a bunch of glitter and then a couple of replacements or backups of things that I already use and love. So let's get started. So I am in love with these Heavy Metal Glitter Eyeliners from Urban Decay. Absolutely love them. I use them all the time. Anytime I do a winged eyeliner or makeup for a show or any kind of fun makeup, like I always incorporate these into one of my looks. If I want to even do just like a normal kind of eye makeup, but I just want to add a little bit of glam, I'll put some right underneath my eye here with some mascara, and it just adds like a little extra oomph. And I basically just bought every single color that was in stock. I already owned two of the colors that were in stock, but you know, those two colors are a couple of years old. So I figured, time to buy a replacement. They were in the sales section, so I'm not sure if they're being discontinued or not. I really hope that they're not, because these are my favorite glitter eyeliners that I've ever used. There is a slight stinging sensation when you apply them initially, but I have never found it to be uncomfortable. Uncomfortable to the point of actually bothering me. It was just a slight stinging sensation that went away after the products dried, and it didn't irritate my eyes, it didn't get in my eyes, and it didn't bother me after the product dried at all. So let me show you which colors I got. So the two colors that I already owned are Studio, and I will open these and swatch them for you. Pyro, Stage Dive, and, can barely read this one, Grind. I don't think you guys can read this one either. And then the backup products that I just went ahead and ordered because I use them all the time are the Urban Decay pencil sharpener, because this is the best pencil sharpener that I've ever used. And I've been using it for years, and it's still like as sharp as day one. And then the Ultimate Ozone Multipurpose Primer Pencil. I can use it on my lips. I can use it to clean up any boo-boos or mistakes that have happened. And I like that it's a chubby tip versus a skinnier tip, because it's less likely to break when I'm using it than the skinnier liner. Now, since I haven't actually finished my old one, so I'll pull out my old one and show you. But, you know, it was on sale, so I wanted to get the backup while it was on sale, of course. So this is what it looks like, Ultimate Ozone. See, chubby tip, and it can be sharpened. I know there's been a lot of people who have not been aware of different chubby pencils from different brands being able to be sharpened. I'm not sure how that started, because I see a pencil product and I assume it can be sharpened, and then I just go for it. But this is what it looks like. So with how much I've used it, and I'll show you. Oh, it goes on clear, by the way. See, and this is just a little chunk here. See, completely clear. And then this is how big it is when you originally purchase it versus when you've just used it. So That's how much I've used it. So I've got a while before I run out of it, but as long as I, you know, don't open this and don't use it, then the expiration date will be good. And I've got my backup ready because I've been using this product for years and I can't live without it. And anytime I see something on sale, I immediately am afraid that it's going to get discontinued because honestly, that happens to me all the time. I find a product, I love a product, it becomes a holy grail, and it gets discontinued. So, the sharpener, I will show you the one I'm currently using. Again, like, I didn't really need another one because this one works perfectly well, but I wanted to buy another one because it was on sale and I was afraid it was going to get discontinued. So I guess now I have one for in my makeup that I do at home and one for travel. So here's what it looks like on the inside. So we've got the normal pencil shape, we've got the chubby pencil shape, and then it also comes with this little piece right here. I don't know if most people are aware of it, but you remove this little guy right here that just slides out, and this helps you clean all of the extra bits from when you sharpen it. Now, I do sanitize it regularly, especially if I've used it a lot, using alcohol, you know, normal 70% isopropyl alcohol, just to make sure that everything stays clean and intact, and I've never had any issues. You know, you can also remove this bottom piece so that you can really get in there if it's particularly thick and embedded into your sharpener because you haven't cleaned it in a while. And it cleans really well. The blades are stainless steel, so they don't rust, and I haven't had any issues with them at all. This is several years old. I'm just putting it away because my makeup's right here. That's my camera. I keep wanting to look there because that's my mirror. That's my camera. Now, these are the two colors that I already owned, Pyro. So I'm going to swatch those first, and then I'll swatch the new ones. Studio. So, this is Studio. So, it's got a purple base, as you can see. It's a purple base, and it's got silver glitter embedded into it. It is buildable, in case you're wondering. You just need to let it dry in between layers. Because if you don't let it dry in between layers, then you're just going to make a thick, goopy mess and move the glitter around from the places that you have precariously just applied it. So let it dry completely before doing a second layer. Now, this one is Pyro. This one is a clear base with multi-color glitter in it. And you can see how old this one is because there's a little, like, the brush is starting to get kind of messed up. So this one here is Pyro. And it's a clear base with multicolor glitter. And I did not buy a new one, but I'm going to compare it to another clear base glitter that I have. Same brand, Urban Decay. Just so you can see the difference, because this one is also an iridescent glitter. This one has more of a blue reflect, and this one has more of a green reflect. So, this is Pyro, and this is Distortion. So, this is Pyro here, and this is Distortion. So you can see the difference that this one has more of a green reflect and this one has more of a blue reflect. Now, the two colors that I did not already own, so you can see what they look like. This one is Stage Dive. It looks kind of like a teal aqua kind of color from the outside, but let's see how it applies. Oh, it's more green than I was expecting, which is fine. So that is Stage Dive. Looks like it has a almost clear base. It's pretty transparent, but there is a light, kind of a light green to the base, but it still is transparent. And then the glitter itself is definitely green. And then the last one is Grind, which looks like pink from the outside. So let's see. Yep, definitely pink. Ooh, that one's really beautiful. I mean, all of these are really beautiful. But this one has again, a transparent base. It does have a slight pink tinge to it, but it is a transparent base versus some of the other ones. The glitter looks like the same combination of glitter that's in Pyro. So it is multicolor. I see, blue, I see gold, I see pink, I see purple, I see lots of multicolor glitter. So I'd say the actual glitter itself, the glitter mixture, is similar in Pyro, which is this one right here, and Grind, which is this one right here, and the main difference is the base. So you get more of a clear base with this one, and you get more of a pink base with this one. I think these two combined would be really, really nice together with the iridescent green reflect and then the darker green base. And then, it's just, they're all super beautiful. Now, in case you're curious what other colors I own, since we're talking about the heavy metal glitter eyeliners, let me show you. So the other ones that I own are Goldmine, Disco Daydream, as well as Stonewall. Stonewall is a red transparent base with silver glitter. The Disco Daydream is the multicolor glitter with silver glitter as well. And then this one is gold base with gold and silver glitter. That may not be how they describe it online, but I'm describing it the way it visually appears to my eyes specifically. So I'll swatch these as well, just so you can see. So this is Goldmine. Very nice and gold. Very beautiful. They're glitter, of course they're beautiful. And then here we have Disco Daydream. Shake it up a little. And I'll try and put it right here, kind of next to here. That didn't apply as well. This one is probably the most dried out one because I use it so frequently. Plus it's separated a little bit because I store it on its side. Okay, here we go. Yeah, that'll be better. There we go. Yeah, so you can see the clear base. This one is a true clear base. The mixture itself is silver and iridescent glitter. And then last but not least is Stonewall. This one is a red base with silver glitter. So these three, and then where is, here. So these three I use during Christmas time a lot because of the Christmas colors, you know, red, and then this one's got the green reflect, and then the silver. So I use these around the holidays a lot. And then these, again, these are the ones that I already owned. These are the ones that I use randomly just because, number one, purple looks great on me. Number two, this matches any eye look. And then number three, it's gold. So, yeah. But I'm pretty sure, like, this one's going to be a great color for spring and summer. And I think this one will be as well. And I definitely will be using this in Christmas-themed looks and basically a lot of different looks because I really love glitter eyeliner. It's like one of my favorite things. But anyway, there you go. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave them down below. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. I'll have buttons, future videos around here or here somewhere. And then if you want to follow me on social media, that is all in the description box. But I'm basically Jessa Marie Pohl on everywhere. But then I also have a specific beauty Instagram, Jessa Marie Beauty. So I have two, Jessa Marie Beauty, Jessa Marie Pohl. JessaMariepole. Same thing, beauty. I think you all are awesome. I think you all are rock stars. Go ahead and glitter, shine bright, and have a wonderful, wonderful day.